Good afternoon, sir. Myself Akanksha Hirmukhe.
Myself Chaitanya Keskar, and we are from third year food.
Our poster topic is water testing in food industry. As we know, World Food Day 2023, the theme is water is life, water is food. And water is used everywhere, and what the fundamental role of water in food industry is while processing or maybe in other aspects. Water is the main source in every industry, like food industry or other industries. But in food industries, 48% water is used, in household 19% is used, in manufacturing 15% is used, service industry 13%, and building industry 5%. So the more intake uses of water is used in food industry. So it's must that we should the water we use, it should be quality, or it should be potable. There are 2 million people who die annually due to unsafe water or poor sanitation or hygiene during processing or maybe other direct or indirect methods. So uses of water in food industry. First one is primary production. It may be in like post harvest or pre harvest. In pre harvest, it may be in like while cultivation, irrigation, or fertilization. And post harvest, while washing or cleaning of the raw material of fruits and vegetables. Cleaning and sanitation, as I explained. Processing operations, operations, for example, while adding water in something, or cleaning of utensils, cleaning of industry, cleaning of instruments, water is used. Food ingredient, it is used as a food ingredient. While processing any food material or food product, water is used, or for it increasing its moisture content or maybe any other purpose. So the Codex Committee on Food Hygiene noted the importance of water, means water quality in food produce, and requested the FAO and WHO to provide the guidelines in November 2016. So these are the general principles in food hygiene, that only the potable water should be used in food processing. The water which is reused should be treated or should be maintained for the safety and sustainability of the food. So the potable water should be used to avoid the incontamination of the food as an ingredient, as we use water as an ingredient. So ice used in direct contact of the food should be made from potable water. The potable water should be specified as the latest guidelines of FAO, CAC or WHO guidelines. Again, thus temperature, distribution and storage of potable water should be controlled for safety of the food. We know we use water for safety or while cleaning, sanitation. If the water is not checked, or if the water is it is in contaminated way, and we use directly to the food, it directly affects the quality of our food, and we can't afford to do that. So testing of water is must. So further,
As explained by Akanksha, the uses of water in food industry and what kind of water should be used in food industry, I would like to explain why water testing is necessary to check if the water we are using is potable or if it is good for further processing. So testing of water is necessary to ensure the water used in food industry processing meets the safety standards given by FSSAI or BSI. It should verify that the water use the quality standards and requirements to maintain the appearance and quality of food. It detects and monitors the microbial contamination, which can further avoid our quality deterioration. It also identifies and quantifies chemical substances. Like if there are some chemical substances incorporated in our water, we can check with it with tasting the water and help to increase our quality of food. It ensures the water used in various processes meets the specific standard and thus help us to minimize the waste. It is necessary to help the business like the food industry or the food product brands to maintain environmentally sustainable practices and to ensure the responsible water usage discharge. Like it also profitably helps them by using safe water. It also collectively contribute to high quality food product. Like using a safe and treated water, our quality of product can be maintained. So I will like to explain. There are various essential water tests in food industry which are necessary for every food industry or food processing. So there are these tests: microbial test, chemical test. Microbial test includes counting of total coliforms, E. coli bacteria, Salmonella. By checking the counts of this bacteria, we will may be able to see that if the water is suitable for further processing or not. Chemical test. Chemical test is done to see the water is suitable for the processing. Like not potable water is used for the in production, in processing of food, like incorporation in the food product. But for the cleaning of industrial equipments or the sanitation, it is not necessary to use potable water, but we should use water which has less chemical properties, like chemical impurities. So we have to check its pH. We have to check its total dissolved solids and total hardness. By checking this, we may avoid further fouling of the equipment, scaling of the equipments. By checking total hardness, we may be able to get the calcium hardness, magnesium hardness. Also physical test. Physical test has turbidity, color and odor, from which we can see which water is useful, suitable. Nutrient analysis include nitrate and nitrites level, phosphate level. Residue includes chlorine, chloramine, chlorine dioxide. Biological test includes to check the count of algae and toxins, algal toxin present in the food. By checking all these tests, the water which we are using, if it is at the minimum or the standard level, we can use in further processing. But if it does not follow the standards, we can eliminate or we can avoid the uses of such water. So
even further give it for the further treatment
yes.
of the water.
So now the effects of untested water in food industry, like the adverse effect which may be occur after using such untested or untreated water in food industry. It will deteriorate our food quality of the end product. It will affect our quality. So by using such water, potential allergen contamination may occur. Like if the water contains a physical or chemical contaminants, the consumer which is consuming our product, if it is having some allergies related to that contaminants, the consumer may have some health disorders or health. It will affect their health. So it will increase the health cost, like it will increase our health expenses, and further it will decrease our consumer trust, and thus it will damage the reputation of the brand. Like if the consumer doesn't want to accept our product, then our product will get damaged, our product reputation will get damaged, and thus our product will get banned. So the industry which is using untested water also violates the regulatory standards, which will also affect our standard of the quality, food quality. Also, using such untested water will incorporate toxins in our food products, which will also affect the health of our consumers. Ultimate aim of our food scientists is to provide consumers a quality product, which is from which we have to start by using water. Should be safe to use and safe to in every processes.
As we conclude our poster, as we know, food industry is growing day by day. There are lots of challenges, lots of threats in the food industries, but the main important thing comes from the basic, and water has a major and fundamental role in food industry or food processing. We use water for little things in our industries, or maybe it in household, everything. So like whenever we use water, it should be desirable, it should be in good order, it should be free of impurities, it should be like potable, and it taste should also be desirable for the consumers. Even and nowadays the awareness of water is neglected, or people take it for granted, like industries and all sometimes take it for granted. They just use the municipal water, or maybe their own borewell waters and all. But the thing is that even if we use our own water, it should be tested, and if it detects anything, it should be treated. Otherwise, if we use the same water, it will directly affect the quality of our product, maybe while during processing or after processing. Even after processing, if the impurities remain in the water, the product gets microbial attack, so our food gets spoiled. So therefore the water testing and the treating of water is must in food industry, and be followed for everyone. Thank you.